Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preventing more damage. Stop writing to the card now and make a cold decision to image it first if data matters. Inspect the adapter and the tiny Write Protect switch. Make sure it's not locked. Once done, try 2 different card readers and a second computer or phone to rule out a faulty reader. If the device still shows issues, make a RAW image with a tool like DD or Win32 Disk Imager. That preserves data for recovery later. You now run file system repairs carefully because a rushed fix can lose files. On Windows, run chkdsk with the /f flag. On Linux, use fsck appropriate to the format, for example, fsck. vfat for FAT32. If repairs fail, use test disk to reconstruct partitions and pointers, and use photorec to carve files from the image. Make sure to operate on the image copy you created earlier rather than the original card, so you can retry different tools without risking the source media. You finish by restoring data and returning the card to service only after verification. Once recovered, reformat the SD card to a suitable format, XFAT for 32 GB or FAT32 for compatibility, and recreate partitions as needed. Then copy a small test set and run a complete read/write check to confirm stability. If errors reappear, stop using that card and replace it, because persistent hardware faults often mean permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.